This is Karma. It's a Great Dane female, boss of the clan here, telling me she doesn't care for me, which is okay. She was out here earlier pushing my hand to pet her. So, and if I go over there right now, she'll run away from the fence. Here's her child. This is Liberty. Liberty! Liberty! That's Lib. Right there. She's the puppy. And then here is Justice, who had an attitude with me earlier also, but he decided I was okay when he was out of the fence. Okay, now that we got the important things out of the way, here's the people. Okay. Some of you recognize Jay doing his thing. He's normally cooking. That's what he's doing now.
Hey guys.
Yeah, and this is what we're cooking. Right here, right here, right here. Yeah, look at that, look at that. Woo, okay. And priorities, dogs, food, now people. This is
Abby called, but I don't know why.
my niece, Celeste. Paulette.
Paulette. Shoving
Nadine.
her face like always.
Carlos. Christine.
Wow.
Adrian. Jaden and Jeremiah.
We do know you.
No, not yet.
Unfortunately, yes, we do.